Uline mobile training tables are portable space savers for schools, offices, and conference centers. Perfect for setting up seminars, training rooms, meetings, and conference rooms. Uline mobile training tables feature a flip top that allows multiple tables to be nested together for compact storage when not in use. Plus, multiple tables can be easily connected together with included brackets to keep tables neatly in a row. And with 3-inch locking casters, tables can be easily moved between locations and securely locked in place during use. Uline mobile training tables are available in various sizes and colors, each with durable, scratch-resistant, easy-to-clean laminate surfaces. With grommet holes at each end of the table, you can also keep power and computer cables neat and organized. Uline mobile training tables are in stock and ready for immediate delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your furniture needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.